there at least going to be a windsock so we can find it?
Okay, we're going into the Ralt 56 NH. It's a 3,000 foot grass strip. I've been here before. I called ahead of time. They said it was a very smooth runway. And now we're descending, and we're about 5 minutes out, 12 miles. And we have to look for this airport and figure out which way we're going to land. They have a special frequency today, 12345, and we'll see what's going on.
Number 19er Whiskey Echo, connect Portland approach 119.75.
1975, 9er Whiskey Echo, take care. Hey, Boston approach, Golden Eagle 07 Delta Mike with you climbing out of 1,400 for 75.
Golden Eagle 707 Delta Mike, Boston approach IDEN. Number 922 Charlie Alpha, turn 15 degrees right, vector for traffic, 12 o'clock, 4 miles, southwest altitude 3,100.
Huge lake.
Degrees to the right.
That's probably where I landed on the ice.
Golden Eagle 7 Delta Mike, radar contact, 4 miles southeast
Lake
Portsmouth,
Winnipesaukee,
altimeter 3028, stay on course.
Show it on here?
3028, proceed on course, thanks. 7 Delta Mike.
There. Yep. Lake Winnipesaukee. We landed on the ice.
Approach, Tier 63.
Oh, I landed on the
with
ice.
you, 5,004.
Bill is chickened out.
Tier 6315, Boston.
Okay, we are 9 miles out.
Number 2 Charlie Alpha, previous traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, southwest allocate 3,100.
Traffic inside, 2 Charlie Alpha.
Number 2 Charlie Alpha, roger, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, 2 Charlie Alpha.
And 205 Sierra I'd like to pitch over to the advisory frequency.
Number 5 Sierra, radar service 10 days, clock VFR, free change group.
So long now, thanks for the help.